30 years young.
Yeah, you're still young, bro. God is just 14, my lord. Continue to do it.
Doesn't matter if you're bleeding, brother. How long the rounds?
3 minutes.
3?
Two or 3?
You might want to do 2 because we just hit a minute. We just hit a minute.
Okay, let's go.
Come on, bro. Come on. Good combo. Don't get tired, brother. Keep some output. Keep some output. No. Come on. Bro. No lie, in the fight, you can't stop in the fight.
Right here.
You can't stop in the fight, brother. They're not going to let you take a break. All good, brother. All good. You guys were going hard. So, nunca uso lo o la para él, ella.
Aquí no usamos lo.
Ok. Directo solamente.
Sí, aquí es el objeto indirecto.
Ok.
Antes del verbo, por ejemplo, yo le compro.
Yo le compro.
Right?
Sí.
Yo le compro. Antes del verbo, yo le compro un sofá a mi mamá. Yo le compro un sofá, ¿ok?
Sí, yo le compro. Yo le compro.
Sí.
Okay. Antes de verbo.
Sí,
antes de verbo. Sí, ok, entiendo.
Cuando usamos la estructura ir, el going to, lo puedes poner el objeto indirecto antes del verbo o conectado al infinitivo. Esta es una posición. Y número 2, yo voy a comprarle un sofá. En este caso puedes poner después del verbo, ¿ok?
Ok.
En el futuro le puedes poner 2 posiciones, ¿ok?
Ok. ¿Antes o después del verbo?
Pues, sí.
Ok.
Con y posicional miti se pueden combinar y se vuelve una palabra conmigo y contigo. Por ejemplo, me gusta ir al cine contigo, ¿ok?
Sí.
Y número 2, los niños juegan conmigo.
Conmigo. Los niños juegan conmigo. Me gustaría ir al cine contigo.
Ahora, repite, Manuel. María ama a su novio.
María ama a su novio. Cada cumpleaños ella lo despierta con un desayuno delicioso. Este año ella no le va a dar un desayuno de regalo. Este año ella va a darle un reloj que va a darle el próximo año a su novio.
Ok, ¿todo claro?
Ella no le va a dar un desayuno. She's not going to make him breakfast.
Ajá.
Okay.
Make him. Ajá, él es him, right?
Sí, este año ella va a darle un reloj. Ok, sí, ok, entiendo. Un momento. ¿Qué va a darle? ¿Qué va a darle el próximo año a su novio? Que Pedro les va a hacer la cena a sus amigos. Pero les va a hacer... ¿Qué es les?
Ajá.
¿Amigos? ¿Sus amigos?
Les amigos, ¿ah?
Pero dice amigos 2 veces.
Ajá, se puede repetir.
Ok. Sí. Un postre. Julio no le va a hacer un postre. Ok. Julio doesn't make the cake. Doesn't make dessert.
Sí.
For his friends. Ok. Él prefiere comprarle su vino favorito. Ok. Entiendo.
Así es, ¿eh?
Gotcha. Ok. Próximo.
Bien, ahora sí vamos a practicar. Dice, conecta los elementos en la caja conjugando los indirectos. Dice, aquí el ejemplo. Yo le hago comida a mi
They're
esposa.
both lying. They're both lying. They're both lying. Just, you know?
Can we just admit? Can we admit that Arby's is not one of them though?
I don't eat Arby's.
That should be common knowledge. That should be up the gate. That should be.
No offense, bro.
No offense, bro.
Hey, bro, I don't need that shit either. Shit.
Liar!
The camera's turned on. I need to switch up.
He
I don't even know why you guys are pointing at me now.
Hey, he just said he fuck with Arby's, y'all.
That's on the red dot.
Hey,
Yeah,
check his Uber Eats, bro. Check his last 5 DoorDash orders. And I bet you Arby's.
Let me see that DoorDash, gang. What's going on, y'all? Y'all see I'm with the gang. About to get a nice workout in. About to cook up. Right now we chilling, chopping it up, joking around. You know how that go. I'm gonna let you guys know when we get to the gym downstairs. It's gonna be a nice boxing workout. I got one of my boys here from the gym, so we about to get some Muay Thai in too. Stay tuned, I'm gonna keep you updated. Gang them, hang them. Don't forget about Seth either. Come in. Thank you so much. Here, Shaw. Exactly where we want to be. He said you're gonna show us something real cool.
I knew it was SGAs, bro. I knew it was SGAs, bro.
I've never seen those before. But SGAs, hold on now. I know the people know what they are. I'm just behind like a motherfucker. Hey, oh. Mint condition, brother. Mint condition.
Motivate the people. It's 2026. If you do what you always done, you get what you always got. I'm not talking about some new year affirmations. Not talking about some you wrote down something. You wrote down something and you're actually gonna execute it. If you don't execute it, then you're the same person you were today than you were yesterday. So what do we do to remedy that issue? Execute.
All right, this is my boy Ray. He already, dropped some game on y'all real quick. But he also do hella modeling. All right, he be in front of the cam. He be all type of shit. So add him up, man.
Shameless plug. Instagram is Gary Wafada. TikTok is G2Shifty.
Go follow that.
Show you to some better things. All this cash don't mean a thing. Broke as fuck, they felt the same. Backwood, repel the pain. Tell me all your dreams, we can get it. Last bitch fumble, no she living. Lately living life without the limits. Finally I did it. Down to my last, I still would give it. Open for the last shot, didn't get it. When you broke, it's true love, wait a minute. What a love, bro, I don't get it. Lord, how long we pray till this shit okay? Rain, 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 man, please go away. Obstacles are hard to fix. Inside my head, your favorite place. I've been back to my safe. The only thing I feel my face leaning. Trick season, buying coats. Stack to win the fly remote. I close my eyes to jot these notes. It seems the life we want is close. Charges pending, we was losing hope. Constantly codeine and trying to cope. Cut them off, they look like it was smoke. Watch me fall like no one sent no rope. No lashes on, you still the baddest one. Little 5'7", bitch, gon' hold the gun. Hypnotized by your eyes, always smoking dumb. Had to look at my life, we already won. All these beats, they might just think I'm talking. Making sales the car, so I was walking. Hope you stacked enough to buy a coffin. Smoking poppin' berries out in Compton. Nigga, you a dead man walking. $100 eighth, I keep on coughing. On the road 2 weeks, ain't did no flossing. Wish that you would hit me up more often, oh God. Tell me all your dreams, we can get it. Last bitch fumble, no she living. Lady living life without the limits. Learn some patience, finally I did it. Down to my last, I still would give it. Open for the last shot, didn't get it. When you broke, it's true love, wait a minute. Where the love go? I don't get it. Lord, how long we play till this shit okay? Rain, 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 go away.
As we speak, I can't breathe, but that's okay. That's what we're here for, to learn and adapt. Being tired and learning how to breathe is a skill of its own. Learning when to breathe, learning how to attack when still tired. You have no excuse. As long as your arms will move, as long as your feet move. Add that to the fact that someone's trying to take your head off, that leads to a whole different type of skill. Another huge adaptation that you have to figure out, which is how to create space and learn how to breathe. And also, learn that you can. Being dead tired, not being able to move, but still finding out how to kind of attack and keep the pace, because it's your ring. The moment you think it's not your ring is the moment you get fucked up. The moment you get scared, the moment there's doubt in your mind, that's the moment you lose. It's not just skill, it's heart. Because when your arms are dead, you're not gonna throw a nice jab. You're not gonna throw a nice cross. It's kind of being your own motivator. learning when to become motivated. Because if you think too much about motivation, you're not going to think about the skill it takes at the beginning. Very cutthroat, and there's really not a rule book to this. You just have to figure out your own rule book and what works best for you.
Hey y'all. Hey man, different level. It's a different level.
I thought the ring was just about to be like, just last.
Bro, I just worked out. You think I'm gonna go to Dairy Queen after I work out, bro? I've seen you eat worse. I've seen you eat much worse after a workout. Like what? Jared, how long have I known you? I'm waiting for one answer.
We are waiting for an example.
Insomnia cookie, 1. Treats, 2.
Treats, maybe.
We used to work out a lifetime together in high school. Back when me and you used to first met. He go to Cub every day after his workout and biology. And he talking about he eat healthy after his workout. No, bro.
First of all.
And he's trying to change his ways.
First of all, that was when I was like 16. I'm 24 now, right?
Treats? Treats?
I didn't
Treats, you got treats.
Insomnia cookie.
Last time I did, I was probably like 2 years ago. Seriously, after a workout?
But that's because you replaced it with treats.
When's the last time I gone to treats? Be honest.
How would he know?
Because it was probably when I came here.
What are they saying? Treats?
Treats is a spot.
Y'all want to hit treats after this?
Wait, that just proved my point.
Like that before in my life.
I've been talking and they don't feel me. Say rich and they don't hear me. Been trying to show you this the real me.
That's what I'm saying.
So hard just staring at the ceiling. When you down, they start to disappear. Ain't no game with you inside them hearings. On the phone, my dog done trying to hear me.
He said,
stuck inside the bars appealing. Don't come near me if you ain't getting busy. I just seen some 1,000 years hit the city. I been stuck inside the dog, come and get me. If I die today like them, they forget me. Steady sinning, I ask God to forgive me. Thinking fraud with dropping racks in the city. Panic charge you out, you ride with blicky. Can't just fuck on any bitch, cause I've been in the trying to get away. To a place I thought I never stayed. Hidden benches for the rainy days. Say you love me while you stay away. Call the lawyer, try to pay away. Drugs don't even take the pain away. I miss my dog, so I just stay away. The love be fake, so I just fade away. Costa Rica, we can fuck with a village. We can shape a business, bitch like a gorilla. Have you ever hit a leak with some killers? Raw food, trying to kiss salmonella. Hard to show the judge that you not a dealer. Stuck on violence, broke on up it for scrimmage. Goofy niggas trying to cut me gorilla. Just trying to buy my mama house with some pillars. Ain't a rap, but I love me some cheese. Barely rap, but I do this with ease. And I have racist gas smoking peas. They gon' act like they real nigga, please. True feeling show when the money falling. Took hella L's, but I still been ballin'. No plans to pick up, but they still keep calling. Oh, you knew I skipped class cause the school was calling.
If you need to drink a specific type of water right now, what are you drinking? For example, I said Evian. I forgot what Gare said. I think Loam just said tap water. I just moved away from him ASAP because it's like, anyways.
Real G's only drink like shit with a mountain on it, red lettering on it.
Okay.
So I'd probably go with Evian. That's my favorite.
Feel me? Feel me? We got two Evians. We got two Evians in the gym right now. I'm about to ask Manny too. Manny probably gonna say Evian too. We're gonna see. Manny. Okay. All right, Manny. All right. So we've been going around asking people what's their preferred choice of water if you need water.
Okay.
And we all know there's a lot of different types of water.
Yes.
Not all water tastes the same. What's your preference?
The first thing I'm going to is smart water. That's
Okay.
what I'm going to first. But
Okay.
I'm gonna give you my top 3.
Okay.
If there's no smart water, then I'm going Fiji.
Wow. Okay.
I'm going straight to Fiji.
Okay.
Bro, Gare, you know that one? What is it? It starts with a W. It's like Monet.
I think it starts with an E.
Not Evian. Evian is honestly not.
All right. So Seth, we back to you. Seth, we back to you. All right, hold on. Before y'all get going, I got one more question. We asked everybody in the building. We asked everybody here.
That's right.
Your preferred choice of fast food, other than like a Chipotle, Subway, stuff like you. If you need to get fast food.
Why is he excluding stuff though?
Easy.
Because like, is Chipotle fast food?
Easy though.
Yeah, you know.
Go ahead.
Easy. Culver's.
That's tough. That's a great pull. That's a great pull.
One of the most healthy fast food joints.
That's legit.
I'm borderline cheating, but noodles.
See, like I'm with that. Now the question is noodles fast food?
I knew he was gonna say that.
It's a valid question. Cause I can't be like, yo, I'm about to get noodles and I'm going quick. You know what I'm saying? Like it's a little bit of a process.
I would argue if it doesn't have a drive-thru, it might not be fast food.
Feel me? Chat, like I said, leave a comment. What's the definition of fast food? You heard it first. We got a lot of Evian drinkers in the building. A lot of Chipotle lovers in the building. But if we can't go with Chipotle, Culver's, we heard McDonald's, we heard Wendy's. What'd you say?
A couple people said Arby's.
Yeah, a couple people said Arby's. I won't say whose name. I won't say who said Arby's. I'm not gonna say who said Arby's. He might be reaching for the mic right now. Nice. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Us. You just gonna see it happen in real time. Hey. Got him. Nice.
Are there guys outside though? Like, are there guys outside like right now?
There should be. You didn't see guys? You didn't see guys out there?
No, of course there were guys, but I'm talking about real guys, like
Guys.
maybe I'm speaking Guyanese. I don't know. Luke chapter 5 verses 1-7, and it was talking about how some of the disciples were fishing, right? And they couldn't catch anything, not a single fish. And these were professional fishermen. So Jesus comes, Lord of all lords, comes and talks to them. And he tells them, try one more time. Trust me, twin. So they threw the fishing nets and they catch so much fish it can barely fit in the boat. Peter, flabbergasted by what just happened, proclaims to the Lord that he didn't deserve such a blessing. And that really puts into perspective how I want you guys to view 2026. There might be something that you were pushing for, you were working towards, and you've been working towards it for a while, and you haven't been seeing any fruits of your labor. And it's been really frustrating. Questioning, you're thinking like, God, is this really for me? God, are you here with me? I see all these people getting what they want. I see all these people succeeding, and I'm working just as hard, and I'm not getting any fruits. What's going on? That doesn't mean you necessarily lack faith. It makes you human. But my point is, keep trying. Fruits of labor will come, and it'll all be because of the grace of the Lord. Sometimes I think God purposefully makes us wait in our hard work where we're thinking there's no way this is gonna work. I have this barrier against me and this barrier against me and this one. But I think he does that at the end of the day. So when it does happen for you, you know you didn't do it alone. You know there was only one being that could have gotten you to the place you wanted to get, and that is our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. I am not a preacher, but I'm not a preacher. I just thought that I would extend the word I learned in church today to the people.
Checking out. Out here.